We're so Canadian here at Gregg's that for us, every day is Canada Day. So let's celebrate in style and safety with this week's featured product, the Canada Strong V-Guard hard hats from MSA. These maple syrup flavored hard hats offer premium protection with both ANSI and CSA safety ratings at a Class E level, providing defense from impacts and high voltage. Be sure to check out our Gear Up with Gregg's video all about MSA hard hats if you want to learn more. Available in both full brim and cap styles, these brain buckets are equipped with MSA's Fast Track 3 suspension system, delivering customized comfort that prevents pressure headaches and pulled hair, all while staying strapped to your noggin with 3 levels of nape strap adjustments. There's even a removable sweatband that is breathable and moisture wicking, keeping that sweat from your eyes and providing extra padding. So show off your Canadian pride with this week's featured product, the Canada Strong V-Guard hard hats from MSA. What's your go-to way to show off your Canadian pride? Let's chat about it in the comments below and subscribe to see more of our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.